to Spanish lesson. Today we will learn how to greet in Spanish. Let's start. The first word for today, hello. Hello in Spanish, hola. Hola. How are you? In Spanish, ¿cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo in Spanish means how. How are you? ¿Cómo está usted? When you want to answer, I'm fine. In Spanish you can say, estoy bien. Estoy bien. The next sentence, I am not fine. You just put no in front of estoy bien. No estoy bien. No in Spanish, I am not fine. Our next question, what's your name? In Spanish, ¿cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama usted? Usted means you. It's the polite form to say you. ¿Cómo se llama usted? What's your name? Then you answer to this question, my name. My name is. Me llamo. Me llamo. And then you put inside your name. Me llamo John, for example. My name is. Our next question, where are you from? Where are you from in Spanish? ¿De dónde es usted? ¿De dónde es usted? Where are you from? ¿De dónde es usted? You want to answer, I am from. example, America. Sollte. Sollte America in Spanish. Where are you going? Where are you going in Spanish? ¿A dónde vas? ¿A dónde vas? Where are you going? The last word for today. Goodbye. I think the most of you know this word already. Adios. Goodbye. Adios. So in the end we repeat all the vocabulary. We're starting with hello. Hello in Spanish. Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo está usted? I am fine. Estoy bien. I am not fine. No estoy bien. What's your name? ¿Cómo se llama usted? My name is. Me llamo. Where are you from? ¿De dónde es usted? I am from America. Soy de América. Where are you going? ¿A dónde vas? Goodbye. Adios. And now I say adios for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.